Well, my name is Geoff Keating. I'm the Chief Technology Officer with Glantus. My core responsibility is the development and the development team. We develop a number of applications. The key one we're interested in here today is the Glantus platform, which is a data suite which complements and sits on top of the Castleton suite of applications. So organisations in the housing sector, not unlike any other type of enterprise, are consuming and generating vast amounts of data. Making sense of this data can be a challenge. On top of that, particularly in the housing sector, new and recent regulatory changes have imposed certain reporting requirements that we can help with. The Glantus platform connects to multiple data sets. It provides a mechanism for bringing in data from just disparate siloed systems, be they in SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, whatever the data source happens to be. On top of which we build layers of dashboards and reports to allow a company or an organisation to visualise what's happening within that organisation at any point in time. So Castleton provide solutions to housing authorities across the UK, Australia, Ireland. They provide solutions in finance, repairs, housing, EDRM, mobile and so on, all best of breed solutions. The Glantus proposition sits on top of all of those applications, giving visibility to Castleton's users and Castleton's customers across all operations within their organisations, bringing the data into a single point, a single view and a single source of truth. Key efficiencies that can be derived from access to this data not only includes dashboards and visualization, but it can include automation as well. So driving an event happening when something else happens. So if something happens in one application, we can trigger an event in another application automatically. This is all driven by data. New Gorbals are a housing authority based in Scotland. They have 2,500 properties under management and are a current or existing customer of Castleton. They're using the Castleton suite extensively. So initially we were brought in to supplement the Castleton solution by providing analysis on top of housing, finance and CRM. This was then extended out to include some regulatory changes specifically around the introduction of universal credits. We've helped New Gorbals through some prediction, some analysis to be able to trend and view what's happening with their tenants and particularly in the area of rent arrears. Working closely with Castleton and the Castleton team, we were able to apply the logic required to extract the relevant information from the various systems, apply thresholds, rules and so on, which were supplied by New Gorbals to provide a fully functioning live system which is delivering results immediately. So specifically within that, we provided New Gorbals with the ability to score and rate tenancies based on historical payment trends. And from that then we can help predict what's likely to happen in the future. That kind of smart analytics, we've worked very closely with New Gorbals to provide their rent officers the ability to view this data on an ongoing basis, literally day to day, when they're out on the road, when they're out meeting tenants and try and address problems up front.